Good night. My name is Jose Franco Canchon Preciado. I am a student of Industrial Engineering, Growth 46. I am going to tell about the problem 3 and the purposes of the select busing model. And problem 3 is technology transfer, conditions necessary of the development of the activity, share and the presentation of ideas, technology marketing, process and made sharing ideas, knowledge technologies and compatibilities, research contracts with industries. Next, busing model proposal. We must first determine of the known technology in order to be free from first world conflict. By doing this, we will have the speeding of the projects and the more time to continue innovating and providing great products for the benefit of the company and its customers. Thank you very much. Bye bye.